So today we'll learn how to access WalkSpeed JumpPower from ServerScript service and from LocalScript, from LocalScript and from main script. A main script will be based on ServerScript service. So we start. So as you can see here, ServerScript service. There's my script inside ServerScript service, and we are coding here. So local players game gets service. We basically get the service of players. So players is the service that keeps tracks of every player who joins the game. So of course, without now players dot player added connect function player, and the end comes. So with that player we again write here. So this player added player dot character added. So no, the first player added. So this runs whenever a new player joins the server. So the player here means the Roblox account players. So it is not the physical avatar. So we'll talk the physical avatar about later. So we now player dot character added connect function and character. So what does is so it says if, so it sees if character is added or not. So the character is a 3D body in a workspace. So it contains this character part contains head, torso, humanoid root point, humanoid accessories, legs, arms, basically the the 3D part of the character. So we, as you can see, we have write local humanoid character. We have applied wait for child because sometimes the character appears before all its children are fully loaded. So yeah, you can see. So if it is a human, if we humanoid, then you can see humanoid dot walk speed equals to, as you can see, so default is 16. So we are, as you can see, we are starting to check if the speed is, as you can see, the speed is increased now. Yeah, the speed is increased. So we are stopping, and we will now show you how we will now show you what happens if we comment out this line. So see this. So it is back to its normal speed. As you can see, that is walk speed 16. Now you saw our walk speed. Now we will tell you to use how jump speed. So Roblox has two jump systems, that is jump height and jump power. We will be using jump power here. So basically, to write jump power, we have to write humanoid dot use jump power equals to true. So it tells Roblox that we are going to use this jump power, right? So here humanoid dot jump power will change it to 100. So I basically, the default is I guess 50. So as you can see, as we change it, it jumps much higher, you can see. And if we comment out this part, the jump power, you can see again it changes back to its normal 50 jump power. So yeah, so we now code on starter player scripts on local script. So we used normal script and ServerScript service for the jump speed, and now we'll show you how it's done in local scripts. So as you can see, we are getting the players, the service of player, local player, game get service player using this client, right? So local player, this so now you can see we are adding local function, we are using local function configure character, and we are passing a parameter named character. So this character will be so this character is player's physical avatar body, like and it is used to and it is used for like physical avatar stuff. And so you can see local humanoid, and we are using character wait for child humanoid. We use we wait for child because the character may spawn before all parts are fully loaded. And we are using wait for child humanoid. So as you can know, humanoid is used for jump, walk, health, animation. Humanoid is basically used to control all those things. So, and as you can see, we are applying safety check. If humanoid, then humanoid dot walk speed 50 humanoid dot and again the same thing, humanoid dot use jump power, all those same things again, true, and humanoid dot uh, as you can see, it doesn't work. Why it doesn't work? Because we need to, because in the end we need to apply that function on the player's character, right? So we'll do that now. You can see, as you can see, if local player dot character, then configure character player. So we apply the function on our character, and still it doesn't run. Why it doesn't run? Because we are still missing a line. So as you can see, we are applying the last line, local player dot character added connect configure character. So now as we've added this line, now we'll play it, and as you can see, it is working now. So that last line was very important because the player uses future response. So when the player responds, Roblox creates a completely new character. So we must apply the stats again. How we apply? By using that line. So whenever a new character spawns, automatically, or so the above line, so that line, last line, automatically runs configure character on it. So as you can see, we'll now enable disable that local script on starter player scripts, and now we will use a local script from starter character script. So as you can see here, so basically we I'm telling you the difference between both of these things, from if you write local script from starter player scripts or local script from starter character scripts. So as you can see, local character script at local character script dot parent on local humanoid with the same character wait for child humanoid, and we apply the walk speed. You can see it's as 50 and jump power is 100. So we use all this. We first show you by commenting out if it runs or not. See, as you can see it. So we have commented out the part, so just so it's the speed is normal, and we play it. See, the speed is normal, the walk speed is normal, right? And now we remove the commented part, so you can see the normal speed. See how the speed has increased and the jump has also increased. So it is just this small line just 5 code from starter character script. So it was the both code from LocalScript, that was one from starter player scripts and one from starter character scripts. As you saw, the code of starter character script was small as well as, because small, the character script was every time you small spawn or respawn it automatically runs, but the big one, the player scripts, it only runs once when you join the game. So we have to tell it by the last line we have to tell it to keep doing it again and again. So also we can tell the character scripts, it is used for adjusting health, speed, jump or clothes, right? But the big one, the player scripts, it is used for custom camera controls, menus, GUIs or key binds, right? So the basically jump speed and health kind of things use character scripts, and for camera control, GUIs, key bind use player scripts. So thank you, that was all.